So viewers, today we are going to also discuss about Brave Wallet. In this video, we are going to deposit some amount in our wallet. So this video is going to very informative for you if you want to deposit your account or receive money. So you must watch this video till end. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. If you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So you can see here, I have opened my YouTube channel. If you want to use your Brave wallet, you must watch my all videos, which is I have upload in 3 or 4 days. You can see here in this video I have discussed how we can set up Brave wallet, how to find the private key, how to take the back of your wallet, and today we are going to deposit some amount in our wallet. So let's start. You can see here my Brave wallet is open in front of me. First I need to enter my password here because I want to deposit amount, or you can use your notepad file because in last video we have discussed how we can find the wallet address. So you just simple copy your wallet address from notepad file and you can easily receive money. But in this video I just open my account and after that I will receive money on my account. So you can see here my wallet is open in front of me, and let's suppose I want to deposit on this wallet. So what will I do? First of all, I need to select the wallet which is I want to use. You can see here there is option available here, BNB. Let's suppose I want to deposit on it. So I just simple click on it. After that, you can see here there is options available here: buy, send, swap, bridge, and deposit. And also show the per BNB prices here. So let's suppose I want to deposit. Simple click on deposit option, and then you can see here there is option is available here. Ethereum, all networks is available here. I just need to use BNB chain, Binance Smart Chain. You can see here BNB on BNB Smart Chain. Simple click on continue button. Then you can see here the wallet address shown in front of me. If I'm going to send from my mobile or my Binance account to this wallet, so I just simple scan this QR code. This wallet address automatically shown in my Binance account, and then I can easily send money on this wallet. But I just simple copy this wallet address and I want to send my other wallet, let's suppose MetaMask, to this wallet. So just simple first of all copy my wallet address, and after that open my MetaMask. Simple click on it, my MetaMask browser extension. First I need to enter my password and click on unlock option. If my password is correct, then the MetaMask wallet will be open in front of me and we will send the money. You can see here my MetaMask wallet is open in front of me. Going to click on expand view for better view, and now you can see here I have on Binance Smart Chain almost $3. So I just simple send the same amount because my wallet is compromised and I have already shown my all phrases. So going to click on this Binance Smart Chain account, and you can see here this is my MetaMask wallet, and where I want to receive money on this wallet means Brave wallet. So going to again open the my MetaMask wallet. Simple click on send button because I want to receive money in my Brave wallet. Click on send button. So when I click on it, so you can see here this is my wallet which is I have my money, and I want to paste here my Brave wallet where want to I receive the money. So going to paste here, you can see here loading. If my wallet is correct, then I can receive money. You can see here my wallet is correct, and you can also scan your wallet QR code, so this wallet address automatically shown here. Okay, I already told you, and you can see here how much money I want to send this wallet. I just want to send some money 0.001, no, 0.00401, because I know when I'm going to send this money, so it's maybe this one will be lost, because I have already shown my secret recovery phrases on my last videos. So I'm going to send only 0.01 cent, and my balance is 0.0005. So going to click on continue button. Only for your information, send, and after that you can see here, when I'm going to send the 1 cent, so you can see here charge 4 cent fee, and also you can see here alert. You can check, interact with this address for the first time, MetaMask sure that this is the correct before for continue. Okay, going to click on confirm button. Before going to check again, cross check your wallet address correct or not, first 3 digits and last 3 digits. So again check, first 3 digits say 0x3 and last 549, means my wallet address is correct. 0x3 549, confirm. When I click on confirm, so amount will be deduct from my account and receive in. You can see here your transaction was submitted. You sent 0.0001 BNB and your transaction is completed. So after some time I'm going to check. Also you can see here transaction 6 confirmed view in your PS scan. Going to open Brave wallet for confirmation I have received amount or not. So waiting this is maybe some time. After some time the amount will be shown in my wallet. As you can see here, the amount is shown in front of me. And also if I'm going to click on BNB wallet, and you can see here I have received amount from this wallet, and amount is on dollar shape 0.006023. So guys, I hope you properly understand how can you deposit amount in your BNB wallet or your Brave wallet. This is so simple and easy. So in coming videos I will give you information how to withdraw amount from this wallet to other wallet. This is also very easy. So must watch my incoming videos. Before going to stop this video, so please subscribe my channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel Bash Cryptocurrency Wallets. So let's meet with you in a new video. Bye bye.